Hi, I'm Darren, and happy Halloween. About 10 days ago, I made a challenge. Actually, I opened our front door virtually for you guys to come trick-or-treat with us, with the COVID and everything else going on. But more importantly, we have lived 22 years remote, and we have not had a single trick-or-treater in all those years. And we thought it'd be a lot of fun, and you guys have just overwhelmed me. It's just really been a lot of fun to look at these videos, to see the costumes and the outfits and the time you guys went into it. It's really been fun. Thank you so much. But you also made it hard for me. I said I would pick somebody as my favorite. Now, I did. My favorite isn't necessarily the one that was the most effort or the fanciest or anything else. It just tickled me. It makes me smile every time I watch it. Not that they all don't, make no mistake. Please don't, if you don't win, don't be offended. But my favorite was Unicorn Rainbows, Toys and Dolls. That just makes me laugh every time I watch it. It's cute, and I think you'll agree. However, anybody who submitted a video is going to get a treat from me as well. Just make sure if your video is here, if you sent me a video, just please mail us your address and we will make sure you get a treat. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you so much for your submissions. Happy Halloween.
Trick or treat! Trick or treat! Don't you girls want to say thank you? Thank you! Wow! Trick or treat! Wanna trick or treat?
Yep.
Trick or treat!
Trick or treat!
Wait, what? Trick or treat!
Oh, trick-or-treaters, let's see who it is. Oh my goodness. What do we have here? We have the Cubesters here. Oh my goodness, we have a monster. And we have a kitty cat. Look at the mask on her. Ooh, she's got her kitty cat dress on. And her kitty cat shoes. And there's a bear coming up the stairs. And who is this here? We have we have a cow. Don't have a cow, Missy. All right. Have a good Halloween. Bye-bye.
Trick or treat!
Oh, how cute! What are you supposed to be?
Well, I'm a Halloween princess, and this is my friend Lizzie, and she's a witch.
Oh, well, happy Halloween!